Develop a PI planning agenda that best supports for multiple time zones. This is a quote from Ian J. Franks in his show called Art Tightrope Walking. I can highly recommend to watch the whole episode. Click the link up here. But now, let's not waste any more time and see what's behind the fourth wicket.
Oh yes, that's a funny one. Originally, the feature that you can change fonts was released as an April Fool's joke, but it has remained in the PI Planning app until today. Actually, the idea was that, as with physical boards, you can use a font type that nobody can decipher. But if you want the boards to look a bit more human, you can actually choose a nice one besides the children and unreadable handwriting fonts.